Politics speaks over the statue of Shivaji that collapsed at Malvan in Maharashtra a few days ago. War of words has peaked between Mahavikas Aghadi and BJP over the collapse of Shivaji statue. Mahavikas Aghadi protested in Mumbai against the Mahayuti government. They demanded Chief Minister Eknath Shinde's resignation following the collapse of Shivaji statue. Meanwhile, the BJP also held a protest in Mumbai against Mahavikas Aghadi, alleging that their protests were politically motivated and was a mere eyewash.
The sculptor Jaydeep Apte, who is allegedly linked to the RSS and BJP leaders and Eknath Shinde's son MP, Shrikant Shinde, they have been alleging, MP leaders have been alleging that he's been protected, he's on the run from the last whole week. Police are investigating the case, and also Maharashtra Mahayuti Sarkar is blaming Navy for the construction, but what Prithviraj Chavan has categorically said that they just cannot run away from their responsibility, because all the permissions were given by the state authorities, by the Public Works Department of the state, so they have to take the responsibility and they have to take a stricter action against whoever was responsible for this statue, the statue building, and the shortcomings which came to the fore, because as the MVA leaders are alleging that the statue was eroded just within a few months of its construction, and that was the main reason it collapsed. It was supposed to be built in 3 years, but they were forced to build this statue in just 3 months, which resulted in this collapse of the statue. So today what we are seeing is all the MVA leaders have staged out a massive protest in Mumbai. They have took this protest from Hutatma Chowk in South Mumbai till Gateway of India, where I am right now, and here you can see that they are paying tribute to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj statue.
Ma'am, you have also called this government East India Company. Right.
This government is East India Company because, look, there was an agitation, which absolutely peaceful agitation. We asked officially for permission. And the other part of the agitation, it's a Sunday. This entire area in Mumbai is shut on a Sunday. We wanted also to do an agitation on a day where there will be no inconvenience to a single Mumbaikar. So we made sure that no inconvenience is to anybody. Now we have followed every rule from the book and the Constitution of India. So if Bharat Ratna Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar's constitution is supreme in a vibrant democracy like ours, why would a government object to a peaceful agitation which is actually picked from the constitution? So it's my right to do this peaceful agitation.
PM Modi also said that I bow my head down, and in a way he also tried to make it feel that he was sorry for the incident that had happened in Sindhudurg.
I appreciate that, but during that time he also said there were conditions to that apology. He's even my Prime Minister, he's your Prime Minister. But when he gives a conditional apology for something who we believe in was very, very painful and hurtful for me personally.
यही लाचार सरकार यहाँ बैठी है, और वो लाचार सरकार से कुछ होगा नहीं। छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज को सम्मानित करने का, उनको अभिवादन करने का अधिकार महाराष्ट्र के हर शख्स को है, और वही आज आ रहा है छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज के पुतले पर जाकर अभिवादन करना चाहता है। उसमें भी भ्रष्टाचार, पूरा मुंबई महापालिका को लूट रहे, पूरे देश को लूट रहे, राज्य को लूट रहे। भ्रष्टाचारियों को सम्मानित किया जा रहा है, व्यभिचारियों को सम्मानित किया जा रहा है। ये इनकी सरकार है। ये छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज को मान्य होता क्या? इसलिए आए महाराष्ट्र की अस्मिता को जागरूक करने के लिए।
Honorable Prime Minister was emotional. He expressed his grief over the incidents, but the ministers, the Ministry of Maharashtra, the government of Maharashtra, which should have expressed themselves, they didn't. On the contrary, they started picking up with the opposition in a wrong way and calling it that we are politicizing the issue, whereas this was the most affecting emotional issue which Maharashtra never witnessed in the past.
इन्होंने महाविकास आघाड़ी हो, कांग्रेस पार्टी हो, कभी भी छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का उन्होंने सम्मान नहीं किया। आप मुझे पंडित नेहरू जी का, इंदिरा जी का एक भी लाल किले से भाषण दिखाइए जिसमें उन्होंने छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का उल्लेख किया हो। लगातार इन्होंने छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का जो अपमान किया उसके लिए कांग्रेस और एमवीए ने देश की और तमाम विश्व में जो शिव प्रेमी है उनकी माफी मांगनी चाहिए।